first thing I'm doing is sauteing about 1.5 cups of onions in some butter. And I like to saute them so they're really nice and translucent and maybe just a little bit brown. The butter can brown a little bit, it'll make a dark gravy. And I have here about 2 cups of chicken stock. Homemade chicken stock's great. If you can't, just use a really good canned stock. And I'm going to pour all of these drippings into that to really enrich it and give it lots of flavor. Now I need a little flour. About 1/4 cup of flour goes in with the cooked onions and butter. And this is what's going to thicken the gravy. Okay, cook that for about a minute. And then I'm going to pour in this hot stock. And you'll see it's going to thicken up beautifully. This is the way to prevent having lumpy gravy, which is everybody's nemesis. So about 1 teaspoon of salt. I like to use kosher salt. Turn that down. And 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Cognac is really very good brandy from the Cognac region. So you can use any kind of brandy or cognac that you have around the house. Oh, I love the smell of that cognac when it hits the hot gravy. It's just fabulous. I have some leftover white wine, so I'm going to put a splash of white wine in. That should be good. And then the last thing is a little bit of heavy cream. You can do this or not, but I just think it enriches it enough so that it really gives it special. Okay, and then the good part, I get to taste it.